everything you're going to need for your wreath. Either frosted grapevine wreath or plain, doesn't matter, whatever your preference is. Hot glue gun, a lot of glue sticks, wire cutters. This is a really thick wire that's wrapped in wood type, I don't know what you call it. It's in the floral section of your craft store. This is also to help hold these down. And all this is a couple of Christmas sprays. Everything's 50% to 60% off right now. So you really can't go wrong. Whatever you want. I'm going with the green and white look this year. These are really pretty. And they were 50% off. So let's get started. First thing we're going to want to do is to get these babies off of here. Just go ahead and snip them off. And I'm going to speed up this video to save us some time. I'm going to do a nice big white poinsettia on there, but I'm not sure how I want to arrange everything yet. Let's see. They don't always come even. Make sure you have plenty of glue sticks. So we're going to put a couple of these in first. They usually just feed right on through. Make sure you have your needle nose so you can pull these things through. Good enough. And we're going to put another one here. Don't need the glue yet because the wires are nice and long and I can just twist it around. Now we're going to start to add a few more of these things on. This whole process takes about a half hour, so I'm not going to waste your time, but I want to make sure that you get it right in case you've never done this before. I don't like that piece of holly on there at all. If you do something that you don't like or you don't want, just don't use it. Snip it off. But don't throw it away. You can use it for something else. But now I think I'm going to need my glue gun. Just squirt it right on the area that you want. Don't worry about the spider webs. We'll get those all off after. And just feed it through. And try and get as much of that stem down in there as you can, because you don't really want it sticking up. Okay, I'm going to get in there. Good enough. Let me see if we can see the bottom of that. Yes, very good. Now you can pull it through. Nice. And just bend it on back. This is going to be really pretty. Now, I think we're going to add the poinsettia. I'm trying to get it up higher because I don't want to cover up all of that eucalyptus. That looks good. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and glue that right in there so it stays. Try not to get it right on that plastic because if the glue's too hot, it'll melt some of that flour right off the petal, which would not be happiness. In it with the glue. push it right down. That up. And I'm going to cut, I guess, right about there. You're going to need a really good, sharp wire cutter for that. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to try tucking it under here. So it definitely will stay in place. And it worked. Yes. Very good. Okay. Coming out pretty already. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, we'll put it there. Come on. Perfect. Bottom and just bend it. Now what I want to do before I hit up here, I want to fill this in here a little bit and back here with some more green. Yeah, that's beautiful. We'll do the pine cone. I don't like to have any bare spots on the sides because I just think it looks plain. Looking gorgeous. I'm so happy with this. I'm glad I chose white and green this year. So what I'm going to do now is work on the other side. And I got a gorgeous rose. So we're going to use that. I don't like this holly for some reason. I just don't like it. Yeah, that looks good. A piece of this eucalyptus. I'm thinking of putting that right there or here. Yeah, put it over there. And you have to blow on it because you want it to dry fast so it doesn't melt the plastic. I want the silver leaf there. I want the other silver leaf on that side. That's looking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's finish the top and we're done. And that's what we got so far. I think it's looking really pretty. And end it when you want and when you're happy with it. And hang it on your door, give it as a gift. Just be proud of it. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. Especially for the holidays. You take so much pride in what you do. Go ahead and show it off. And if you don't take pride in what you do, you should. I'm going to end it up here with this because we have one down here. Should I put another rose? Yeah, we'll put 2 roses. That's fine. Yep.
And that is your finished project. If you got something from this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.